Welcome to the channel. Today I'm reviewing the 5 best CNC machine routers for 2025, handpicked through research and testing to meet different needs. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options, top performance, or unique features, I've categorized them to match various preferences. Check the description for the latest prices and details. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Number 1. Genmitsu PR/XL 4030 V2 CNC Router. Step up your CNC game with the Genmitsu PR/XL 4030 V2, designed for speed, precision, and ease of use. Its upgraded closed-loop motor delivers faster travel speeds, up to 5,000 millimeters per minute, while reducing noise and eliminating step loss. The enhanced motion system with 1204 ball screws and a reinforced Z-axis ensures exceptional accuracy and stability. Operated via a GRBL-based control board, it supports popular software like Candle and Universal Code Sender for a seamless experience. The T-slot hybrid table holds materials firmly, allowing you to cut wood, plastic, and soft metals within a 400 by 300 by 110 millimeters work area. Whether you're a DIYer or a small business, the PR/XL 4030 V2 offers the performance and reliability you need to bring your creative projects to life. Number 2. Axiscreate 6060 CNC Router Machine. Take your workshop to the next level with the Axiscreate 6060 CNC Router, built for precision, power, and ease of use. Featuring a robust 710W trimmer router and high-speed belt drive on X/Y axis with a linear guide on the Z-axis, it delivers up to 3,500 millimeters per minute speed. The large 23.6-inch by 23.6-inch working area easily handles wood, MDF, acrylic, aluminum, and more. With GRBL version 1.1 control, expansion-ready 32-bit chip, and user-friendly offline controller with a 2.5-inch display, you can operate it via PC, manually, or independently. The pre-assembled modular design allows setup in under 20 minutes. Ideal for makers, professionals, and small businesses looking for accuracy, efficiency, and versatile control in one powerful CNC engraving solution. Number 3. 4540 CNC Engraving Machine with 500W Spindle. Unlock precision and power with the 4540 CNC Engraving Machine, featuring a 500W high-speed spindle capable of cutting stainless steel, aluminum, and hardwood. With a max movement speed of 5,000 millimeters per minute and 11,000 RPM, it's perfect for demanding projects. The large 430 by 390 millimeters aluminum worktable includes precise scale markings for easy positioning. A 20W laser module with 0.01 millimeters engraving accuracy adds versatility, allowing you to engrave on wood, acrylic, ceramics, food, and more. Compatible with GRBL and Candle software, it supports multiple file formats and Windows systems. Whether you're cutting 12mm MDF or engraving fine detail on metal, this machine is designed for hobbyists and professionals seeking accuracy, speed, and multi-material capability, all in one reliable CNC system. Number 4. Genmitsu CNC 3018 Pro. The Genmitsu CNC 3018 Pro is the enhanced version of the popular 3018, engineered for easier assembly and greater precision. Its raised 4 cm base boosts stability, while pre-positioned components reduce setup time. Ideal for plastics, soft aluminum, wood, acrylic, PVC, and PCBs, this machine is perfect for a wide range of projects. The UL-approved power adapter supports 20,000 RPM spindles out of the box, no G-code tweaks required. Powered by GRBL and Arduino, it's easy to control with included software like Carvico Maker and Candle. Want more room? Expand to a 3040 with optional Y-axis extension and spoil board upgrades. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, the Genmitsu 3018 Pro offers reliability, flexibility, and value in a compact CNC solution. Number 5. TTC 450 All-Aluminum CNC Router. Unleash precision with the TTC 450 CNC Router, powered by an ultra-fast ESP32 chip and high-torque stepper motors for smooth, stable engraving. Its all-aluminum frame ensures durability, while dual Y-axis screws boost carving performance. With a generous 18.1-inch by 18.1-inch by 3.14-inch work area, the TTC 450 supports wood, soft metals, and more, perfect for hobbyists or small businesses. Start with the included 775 motor or upgrade to a 500W spindle for faster engraving. Easily expand with accessories like a dust collector, trimmer, or rotary axis. Safety features include limit switches, emergency stop, and a spindle shield. Offline functionality via SD card and a user-friendly panel make operation simple. This season, bring your Halloween and Christmas designs to life with custom engravings that wow.
I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.